You don't need to create PowerPoint presentations manually. Now there are multiple ways available using AI you can create your PowerPoint presentations. Earlier I published a couple of videos where I shown some of the methods using which you can create PowerPoint presentations. In this video, I'll show you another method using which you can generate your PowerPoint presentations, and that is also for free. If you want to check my earlier videos, I'll add the links in the description below so that you can follow those methods also. Now, if you follow my mouse, what I've done, I have just logged into the ChatGPT console. If you don't have ChatGPT and you don't know how to use it, I have another video. I'll add the link in the description below so that you can create your ID in ChatGPT and start using it. If you already have an ID and using ChatGPT, then you can follow this particular prompt. What I've done, I copied one prompt and let me paste it here. Write a PowerPoint macro that creates a PowerPoint deck on how to get most out of ChatGPT. If I hit enter, now it's generating the VBA code. While ChatGPT is generating this VBA code, you don't need to know a single line of VBA code. We'll just copy from here and we'll use it in PowerPoint. Let me show you here. So what I've received here, if you see that it generated the code, and if I click on this particular icon, copy code, it will copy the code in clipboard. And there are steps also mentioned here, that which are the steps using which you can use this code. So what I'll do, I'll open PowerPoint and there I'll go to a blank presentation. If I just double click on here, and then this particular new PowerPoint slide will open with a clean slate. What I need to do, I just need to press Alt and then function key 11. So what it will do, it will open VBA console. So if you are using this particular console for the first time, no need to worry. So once you will be able to see this particular view, you can just right click here and click on insert module. And you just need to paste the code. That's it. You don't need to do anything else. Once this is done, there is a play button here. This is the run command. Now once I click on that, what it will do, it will ask for a macro name using which it will be saved. You just need to click on run and you can see ChatGPT presentation created successfully. Let me click on OK. Now if I come back here, you will be able to see this particular presentation got generated. Now you may tell that, oh, it's a very basic one. It's fine. Now we'll rework on it and we'll see that how can we enrich this particular deck further. What it did, that it just created one slide and only one pointer in each of the slide. So what we'll do now, we'll go back to ChatGPT and there we will execute this particular prompt. Write a PowerPoint macro that creates a PowerPoint deck on how to get most out of ChatGPT. This presentation needs to have at least 10 slides. So we are defining that how many slides we need, including one title slide and one table of content slide as the second slide. And each of the slides should have at least 7-8 lines of text to make it a comprehensive one. So that what we are doing, we are giving required instruction to ChatGPT. So based on that, it will generate the code. Now let me hit enter and see that what it comes up with. Now it's regenerating the code again. So what we'll do, once it will be generated, we'll copy again from here and then we'll follow the same approach and then we'll try to generate it another time. So the code is generated now. So now if I again click on this copy code, it will get copied and then I'll come back to PowerPoint and this same Visual Basic editor. What I'll do, I'll delete this earlier code, I'll paste the new one, that's it, and I'll just click on run. Now it's shown that there's a runtime error. Now, why I'm showing all these methods, so that you know what are the errors you can get and how to fix it. Because if you're not getting an error, you can just skip it. But if you get any of the error, how to solve it, that I'm trying to show it here. So if you see, it's showing, if I click on debug, it will show you the in which line the error came. What I'll do, I'll go back to ChatGPT again and I'll mention, okay, so what I'll do, I'll just mention that error and I'll paste it here and I'll hit enter. What it will do, it will analyze. It says that apologies for the confusion, let's correct the line, and it is regenerating the code. And now we have the revised code. What I'll do, we'll go to copy and then we'll paste it again. Let me go back, and if I now stop this particular code, because earlier it was executed and it was on debug mode, so I'll stop it. I'll again delete the entire code, paste the new one, and then click on run. Now it generated my presentation. If you see, there are enough content now. It may be a bit of a longer video, but if you get some error, this is the way you solve it. You don't need to know the coding. You just need to prompt ChatGPT that what are the error you are getting and what you are looking for. In case it's throwing something that you need to fill a variable, you mentioned that I don't want to fill a variable. You need to give me the proper and full code. So now our presentation is ready. But we are not done yet because it's a very basic one. There is no design on it, right? It's only the content. So we generated the content using ChatGPT. We used macro to generate our PowerPoint. And now if you need to design it, there is one simple way that is already available within PowerPoint. Just go to home and click on designer. It will show you all the designs available. Now, if you want anything, maybe this particular first slide, if you want to use this, just it's a matter of a click. Go to any of the slide, check how it's matching with your content idea, and slide by slide, you can just use any of the design and you are ready to go. So this is the way you can generate PowerPoint presentations using VBA method without knowing VBA. Hopefully you will be able to use it. If you want to know how to create PowerPoint presentation for free in a more simpler way, I also published 2 more videos earlier. One using PowerPoint and ChatGPT you can generate PowerPoint presentations. Another one is using ChatGPT and Canva if you want to generate multiple slides in one go. Check out both of the videos and I'll add all those links in the description below. Hope you'll be able to use it.